Hello Wagner, I'm here. Can you please open the door?
Hi,
Hi. How did you open the door?
it's my new lock system. I have a video explaining it. Come and have a look.
Welcome to the presentation of our door lock system. To make the app more user-friendly, we built this splash screen. Since it is built for a door, we choose to have a login to add an extra layer of security. Make sure you type everything correctly. To make it possible to control the door remotely, we built the open button that instantly opens the door, as you can see. The door only stays open for 5 seconds. To make sure you are the only one that can add a new person to the system, we choose to create the enroll button. When pressed, it will take 10 samples of the person in front of the camera, and it will remember that ID. To increase security overnight, or when no one is supposed to open the door, the lock button will keep the system locked until the unlocked button is pressed. By simply pressing the enroll button, you can give access to another person. So now that person can easily open the door. In case you want to forget all the enrolled IDs, just press the reset button and no one will be able to open the door unless you enroll it. Thank you for your attention.
I hope you have enjoyed it.